You want to give beggars money, give them good money, nice money, sweet money, delicious money, substitious money. Stop giving beggars small money. Stop.
CEO Beggars Association of Nigeria has spoken. Oswald. Not the entitlement for me.
I'm speechless.
Baba, you say you have 1 million naira in your account, you are giving beggar. Beggar not get work. How much beggar get for your account? Make it can't give to na thunder bogi there.
I don't hear of beggars where build mansion for their village.
For Kaduna.
They'll come Lagos, they do like
you get Katsina Road.
Now one of them be this actually.
Yes. Baba, if you go there, you go see those beggars, then get children will get university. Then don't build house from begging.
But so sometimes I don't know how far our stupidity go and our low intelligence go because these are things when we say normally you're not supposed to get my to speak out openly. Then you won't ring lights, pull your camera. They tell people when busy at their time they now free. We know say giving to beggars and free will.
Yeah, and free will.
You they dictate that free will.
You say this free will talk. Now you they talk because this guy talk about beggars. It goes on social media back to back. Davido the other day, wonderful gesture, badass gesture. Where Davido come outside carry 300 million one give. One was war.
No be done here.
They talk say what my question I say you can't tell person how you could spend your own money. Apart from that one, you go see celebrity. You go see people they couple man they talk say all the celebrity what are they doing for the less privileged? How much are they giving to the less privileged? Is there
you see that same question now? Tell those same people make carry and give their pastor. They no fear no let them try.
Fear no go.
Now they go for you, the pastor. What do you know? Is he not the See, it's so sad though. But
P Square go there, go to complain. Say, why P Square not they share money? It's about they do give away. All those things. You just make I do give away. We may give away. What do you they do? You don't ask me whether I don't eat. You ask me whether my family members don't eat. Because of say you they see me for somewhere on a constant, you believe say every time when you see this guy face for TV, every time when you see this lady face for TV, money it means 1 tree just they do raw
for your backyard.
Money they pour come outside. So every time when you see you, he must show you love.
With the way Nigeria even be, if beggars see money, make thank God because
all
of us are beggars.
But everybody na beggar now.
Except maybe that guy just want trend now. Why he do that video? Because these days people just wake up to formulate some certain things so they add them. Because you know, say if you talk stupid thing like this, Nigerians go react. You get me? But just to also add, not be lie. Almost everybody now beggars.
Yes.
Where I dey on Saturday. I dey complete give my guy say see money I want try balance up for something when they come up when I want do. As I your complete give and finish, I say me I drop phone. Now if first person call me, if I narrate your own story, give me all the way from beginning. Me and this guy never talk for like 2-3 years now. Now I narrate story, give me. Hey, wait till happen. He wife the hospital, he don't bounce on Friday. He not fit come out. Wait till be this na small thing. May not be like I be wicked person. Now I send. As I dey drop phone, bros. Now another person call. See, me I get my problem. I dey find way to take resolve. I even this the one where I say I don't get where I want agent. Now I carry the share right now. Now that person come. Hey. Now I bust am. As the third one come, only me start to the what's happening. They feel say maybe I don't be they collect money from me. Now it make me first start to the write names down.
They write their names down.
What you write here?
Weekend borrower.
Only on Saturday. Becca, what are you seeing here? Not mention their name. What are you seeing here?
10K, 50K, 5K.
From the one where they look for to add join.
Goodness.
And if you see the story when these people they cack give me this 5
Mama swallow shovel.
Bros, if my conscience not let me at the time my wife they say hey, what are you now going to do now? I say I go try because almost now half I do all of that. They go ask me
they ask for 10, you go give them.
They ask for 20, I give them 10.
10K, okay.
You get. And these are mature people when they get work. I don't know if you get my point.
Where do they go?
So these na
so they work hard.
These are people who are supposed to be beg. You get me? But they are asking me for little
Baba, you see,
money.
The economy is so bad. As I talk something before when we enter, everybody now they beg. If you think say you know girl and the girl na good girl as at December, nothing come again. No, everybody
dey streets now. It's crazy.
Now.
It's crazy.
Not be say girls they bad, don't spoil. Oh no. All I'm saying be say, brother, if you not get, if you be guy now, we not get money, not toast any girl.
Because now what you get to
not toast any girl because even the girl never chop.
Ibrahim,
even the girl never chop. Plenty guys, you where they toast girl, you never noodles now, something but spaghetti wey they buy 150 now is 1,000 something.
It's not funny. I see the price. I open mouth too.
But plenty guys now the nyogrenyo of girls because of say they get light for house and AC day. And food day house. Plenty girls gonna go visit guys now. Plenty guys they go visit their guys now because of say then get AC and food day house.
Say now me I dey tell visitors. Don't be. I tell people it's not the right time to go and be visiting people.
Baba.
Maybe everybody
say where you go.
No one dey say you wan go visit.
Is it that the people say I don't they go? Yeah they go.
No come visit.
They go.
Wetin concern me na I think this one go move us to the next voice note. So this lady, I came across this interview. Iyala Vansa na be her name. So she speaks something relating to what we just talked finish right now. So more get a feel from
crimes perpetuated against black men specifically. And then if they can't do that anymore, whether it's the job or pay the mortgage or whatever, then they're just cast off like socks in the corner.
Right. So that's where we are currently right now. And that's why you see so many men not get anything to offer than the money. You get me? Because we don't make am so transactional. The value of a man not the pass the money when it gets.
The value of a man is in what you can provide. Now only see Chris Rock said this thing.
Say now.
A man, not only man then they love
unconditionally.
Not only dog and cats, now they love. A man is loved only based on the value where they bring. Even you where they here, Becca. If Kudus follow you talk, say Kudus na fine boy. He does not have to give you. You not go follow him talk.
Never.
So the thing now don't come shape the mind of everybody. Black man now. Make them get by all means.
And now what is the lead to the decay in our society right now? Because everybody, if I get, I can do you, I can do you, I can do you, I can do you. So because you build value around man, or top say if he provide, any man if he afford to provide now, no one day with only one person.
Why should he stay when he be say if you are going to money shame the man? Why you go when the man don't come get, because girls go tell you to say if you not get money, may your machine gun not stand up. Keep your machine gun. Now when the man can't get money and you expect that man
to be loyal to only
you. Wabu. I tell you talk that thing. Because and check him unconsciously.
We just spoil the world, no joke.
We don't accept them. Even churches, everybody don't accept them. Unconsciously, you now go tell person when not get money, say why you dey marry 2 wives? But if you get money, you get money to handle
but funny enough, you know, say even the Bible talks say if you fit take care of more than na still provision. So it has been around for a long time.
But no, we don't too publicize, we don't too commercialize.
It's so bad now. I say, I think why it did like that for this climb, this part of the world, now because of how our politicians and leaders don't weaponize poverty. Now poverty now don't become the order of the day. Go South Africa, wiping a handshake.
Yes.
Girl go give you before you even know what in be her name. Go Liberia. You get some people when they be say I dey hear Jesus like this. So my guys say then go Liberia. They say their winner. I might not talk the thing where the person win. Now when then done your finish. Ain't gonna come out $200 to give the girl. The girl tell her to say, what's that? That you giving me money for? And the girl no say them two not go see again. You go. You understand? Imagine now for Nigeria here, as Kudus dey like this, Kudus see one, maybe Kudus get one fine young girlfriend. One politician come call the girl, how are you? Give me your account number.
Freaky.
Take your 10 million.
Let me freaky your account.
Let me freaky your account. You give her 10 million. Buy the girl motor. The girl parents know say the girl never reach to the get that kind of money.
Yeah.
But then go welcome am. Now wetin Kudus
blessing.
And if he be say Kudus truly love that girl. With his whole heart and his whole life. Now, what thing Kudus will come do now? Kudus will come tell himself. It's a ripple effect. Kudus will come tell himself, say, so now money, now be the thing. Kudus go do everything for him power to get the money, whether na good way or bad way. He must get money, and when he gets money,
now there be the problem of placing value or that kind of value on top man, because people go extreme just to get that money, so that make them valuable to the women,
so that they go be valuable to the women and to the society.
And some just like a form of revenge.
Yes, and some na revenge. When Kudu don't come get that money now, wetin make you feel he go dey wicked every girl because that girl don't play. Yes, that is the truth.
Yeah,
it's a ripple effect. It's they go over, but guess what?
It is also.
If you like, make we talk from now to tomorrow. You not go change you.
Try look another direction. You know, say this South African
patriarchal society.
Yeah, as in the men. So I just feel saying now like the consequences of that.
Women, you know, not they say consequences, not be consequences.
Okay, they do.
Woman, I get power pass for this world, whoa. Not the man, no.
For African, we know they say now.
No, for every part of the world, a woman get power pass. No, now woman get power. What a woman allow you do, now you do. You think say now you do, I'm no. Yes.
So this conversation, I will conversation for another day.
Now conversation for another day.
They deceive us say now men be.
Not be men, now women be the head.
Who runs the world?
Okay, see her now. Okay, sorry, more do example. Not Vesipa. She now. You come back from work now, come meet her, Becca. She won't collect money from you. You don't go, honey pie, sugar, my odogu.
Just licking yellow.
Lick it, yeah. Baba, you don't go.
You don't go. Yes, it gone now.
And today is a women get power pass. As who be the richest person? Okay, more put Dangote.
Yeah.
Dangote if you see one small girl now. And the small girl go just look Dangote say you. Knocking head. You understand? That you gonna call Dangote, you gonna call him baby. You gonna call Dangote baby. Come now,
exactly.
Baby, and you gonna say you, Dangy, Danny. I don't like what you are doing, Danny. You understand? Dangy gonna do mumu. You understand? And as she's small, Dangy self go now. She gonna look Dangy for eye. You, if I hold you, but you, no matter the man.
No matter the level.
No matter the no matter the man. You see, who will be the richest woman? Florisha Lakija.
Yeah.
No matter you not go feel look her face.
No. Nah, ma. Yes, ma.
Nah, yes, ma. So who be the stronger person?
Not the woman. But what about them? People where they the other side, they will feed to dangy to now.
Okay, those people not like that. They be best of both worlds.
Why you go switch gender?
I know they switch anything.
You just go meet them. Hi, daddy.
If R&B switch gender now, we think we can be R&B.
I
will go ugly.
I'm not trying. We go shock you.
In big nose.
Did you see his daughter? Very pretty.
Hold on. More would ask her. Between me and Bob Recep, the real Bob, who find pass?
You.
So imagine say I can't do like Bob.
You can't say R&B, you can say my brother. You're going to do like this. Oh no.
Not somebody can do like that.
R&B gonna be Rachel.
But you don't go sit down.
Rachel risky.
You know saying get thick voice. So how you go take fine tuner?
No, that they do. That they take a.
You know they see that video when they ask you say, what's your name? Cynthia. No, what's your name? Cynthia. What's your name? Marco.
It is well. Anyway, we got another arrangement to briefly just look into now.
Okay, all right. I don't know if you now yet say they say fire enter the minister of the FCC minister of State House. This weekend. I don't know.
So sad. Her residential building. Though,
yes. So and you know how much did they take use? where they give each of those ministers for
those,
they get budgets now.
Yeah, for their residential.
So now when we say the house don't burn,
they go provide for
another budget.
Maybe no places like that supposed to get insurance. So insurance supposed to cover and too you get. Okay. But I want really know what it lead to the fire before we come here say one document when supposed talk how much money they spend now inside residential building when it born. You get only what they concerned. But I hope nothing like Abuja documents did that particular building. When you born, when you not come in there for account for some certain
so
billions of naira.
Talk now? What they try talk now? And say if they want talk story, then go say somewhere born. So file go come there.
Okay. So I hope it's not. So I low key.
Okay, you the talk say now waiting they happen for some offices.
No, I just say. They don't stop that.
Okay, they do get one. No, another one.
I'm
This we see the video of one lady where they talk, say they cry. You know, we realize. We'll give you the details.
One Ghana girl, yeah. According to the story.
Okay.
Yeah. When she
that girl wey leave Ghana come now 13 years old boy dey chat am. Now they do video call.
But wait, is it so? Are they hear stories online now? See, but is
online,
it really? How can you fall?
13-year-old.
Okay, that's TikTok.
The truth is, any story we see for TikTok,
now lies.
Believe am with at your own risk. You see, TikTok is a place of lies.
Yes.
If you believe anything for TikTok, like for content,
yes.
Somebody go tell you say, "Oh, in they pregnant," nah lie. Everything we see for TikTok, my brother, if you believe
I was 16 years old when I gave birth to my first child.
Yes.
Now 20 years old, I have 20 children. This and that, all those things.
Believe anything for TikTok at your own risk.
Because you know there is neighbor you come up for Ghana all the way to Ghana from Ghana to
Baba Mo not talk. Yeah. How stupid Nigerians are very very gullible. That's my problem. You calculate them. 13 years old boy. Then you na adults. Una dey Ghana they talk. Now they talk. Una they talk. Una not see face. Una not do video call.
No video call.
Una not exchange pictures. Yes. Una not talk for phone. Abi you not hear the person voice.
Abi the 13-year-old get my baritone voice.
Even if the 30 years go baritone voice, una not they see face to face. Una not. What be the conversation? One are the two they get.
Yes.
Ask her what do you do?
Yeah,
how old are you?
What
you that they talk?
13.
And there's nothing like love go make you blind.
It's not that way go make you live another country. You be.
So I think Nigerians too need to also understand. Say because we did this social media era right now, a lot of people come up with different lies, all in the name of content just to promote themselves. Now, why I go still continue not to believe what happened between Omale and that girl? I not believe.
I believe everything they planned.
Yes, because I talk
the dancing. Everything
the
they were choreographed.
The silhouette color of light.
Why they come put that curtain there?
If you not they plan.
Okay. As they put the curtain there, Omale team. I know Omale well. I know in team well. They sabi. They plan for everything.
They do. Wetin you do not be bad thing because na PR for them.
Yes.
Wetin pay me na the way Nigerians carry the girl and the boy sit down, even including on Malay, they judge their matter. Oh, the girl na this, the girl na that. Na so girls they do, na so black women they do. Oh, the guy na this, the girl na that. But now that's really vex because if you enjoy the cruise, leave am.
RMB, why you talk like this? Nigerians like talk. They like
to castigate.
They like to castigate as long as it not be them.
If be other people,
it's okay.
And I think it was overflog. And now why you notice this whole
this weekend?
Now why you know say they go as far now come interview the girl to make her look like say
the problem again. Nah, social media. Let me tell you, not social media. Not be apart from social gullible people. The truth is, the facts say Facebook they pay for content. And they know what people want to see.
They'll give to you.
Then go create story, post them. This one go create story too, post them so that.
And people were ready to judge her for that same platform. They continue to judge her. Even though they know say that live.
If most platforms not they pay, it's a beautiful thing that they pay us. It's a beautiful thing. So as long as say platforms they pay, expect to see rubbish all the time.
Lies on top lies.
Lies on top lies on top lies on top lies. You get people when they be say their own content, then they form say then they fight. Husband and wife where they fight. All na lie.
All na lies. But guess what? You when not know 1 or 2 now go they comment.
You go they comedy they cause the girl.
And you know say the husband and wife go they chop turkey for house. They laugh.
Yes, so
they laugh you.
Guess what? They all cash out 100K dollars for their account at the end of the month.
Yeah.
We need to stay extra careful. More not they let, because I know say a lot of people not get people not get high blood pressure over the last week because of that particular.
Now they won't get high blood pressure. Now they won't get.
Why you go get high blood pressure? Say the boy carry girl, then to go, they come follow the girl dance.
The girl,
my brother. If you know, some of your girlfriend wey dey even insult the guy, if they see their favorite celebrity, they go carry belle for am.
Yes,
what are we talking about? Who dey deceive who? Even that your boyfriend wey dey insult the girl, if he see favorite actress, he go give am belle.
Exactly.
Who is deceiving
like
who?
twist that dinner. Now only God save in relationship with Mommy Gio the other day. You know that girl. Touch me nah right that change shit.
Okay.
To get you understand? You don't talk for days.
You wait there here, Becca. You wait there, Becca. You get one celebrity when he be say, you go to tell yourself say, make them better not leave me with this celebrity. He dey. You understand?
I own that guy wey do Aquaman.
Oh,
yeah.
So everybody gets his own.
Yes, now that man.
Everybody get Jesse Momoa.
People.
You understand? So if she see Jesse Momoa now, regardless of her say she dey with her boyfriend, she go crazy.
I go say, oh my God, I'm a big star.
This girl now on my lane, na be her own. So make we not dey deceive ourselves. Everybody calm down. Sex tape go come outside. Now go dey insult person wey get the sex tape. You know dey nyakrinya. I think because camera no dey on top your own. See, Adam better tell you, as long as say not be them,
it's okay to finish.
They're ready to finish you.
I think we need to dey calm down, and I think
now you indirectly we dey talk to you too, because if they get BP too high.
No, na Nigeria matter dey mean we don dey
this
kind
man
of
dey get
Nigeria
BP
now.
the day wey we say we go check our COVID-19, we wan go collect our COVID-19 vaccination. I remember the woman ask am, please sir, how old are you? He tell the woman, hey, man say, what are you thinking about? What's the problem? He said na Nigeria.
Baba, na maybe the last person you think about Nigerian problem.
Number one thinker.
Baba, as long as I eat in the morning, drink beer.
Cold chilled beer.
Today beer. Baba, I'm okay. I'm not send though. Because my brother, Nigeria problem don't dey before I born my papa. Nigeria problem go still dey. After my children's children.
No, God forbid. I beg, no, God forbid that one. I beg. Let's now stop. Let's
Baba,
more dey positive.
Baba, not deceive yourself.
Hey.
Baba, shut up. What go not be by make we dey positive. It is my earnest wish make Nigeria dey better. But from the things where you dey see,
exactly.
What are you seeing? Are you seeing policies that are working well? Except I see policies where they work well. Where I know, say, obviously every policy get gestation period where you go take mature. Now, if I see policy, if comments make them open to everybody, say see policies with it be like UK, go uk.gov. This thing. You go see the whole government, everything. You go see everything where they go on there. You go feel no, say, okay, this one they happen, that one they happen. You go pick holes where if you pick holes. But yeah, what you they see? You don't know. You understand? You don't know. So how I want to get faith for waiting when they be say I don't know. You get the point now.
Blind faith.
Oh, okay. Nigeria game it go good. 1982 where them bomb me till now.
What the law? Now worry, go dey better soon, Jesus.
Maybe they leave you, maybe they go. It will be better.
Our backyard promax.
Our backyard promax. See you tomorrow.
R&B, you need to wipe on.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.